Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn solid granny square. I use 100% cotton yarn. It is a DK yarn and 4.5 mm hook. If you are new for crochet, you can check my other links. You should know double crochet stitch and treble crochet stitch. Now let's get started. Chain 4, join the first chain with a slip knot. We will work in this circle. Chain 3, make 3 double crochet, now make 1 treble crochet, again make 3 double crochet, one, two, three. Now make another treble crochet, again make 3 double crochet, make again 1 treble crochet, make 3 double crochet, don't make 1 treble crochet because we have the chain stitch here. Join with this chain stitch. Now 3 chain, make 2 double crochet here, now make 3 double crochet, in this corner make 2 double crochet, now make 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, double crochet again in the same stitch. Now we have 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 3 double crochet, again we will make the same stitches here. 2 double crochet, one treble crochet, two double crochet, make again 3D seater, again make 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 3 double crochet here, now make only 2 double crochet here because 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochet we already make. Join with the slip knot. Join with the slip knot. Now make 3 chains again. Two double crochet. Make 7 DC here. Now again in this corner we will make 2 DC, 1 treble crochet and 2 DC. In the same stitch. Now make 70 seam. Make again 2DC, 1 treble crochet and 2DC in the same stitch. Now again make 70 seam. Now at this corner again make 2DC, 1 treble crochet and 2DC in the same stitch. Here. In this slip stitch. Now make slip stitch and join this. This is our solid granny square is ready. We can add more rows to it in the same way and make big as you want. I have made this Christmas ornament with this solid granny square. You can check in the description box of the tutorial of this. Thank you so much.